Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing December 2020. So this is the prediction for December 2020, what's coming in for you in areas of career, love, relationship, and in general in life. Okay, so welcome back to my old subscriber, and welcome back if you are new to my channel. I'll give you quick little rundown that how we proceed this pick a card reading. So over here, as you can see, we do have three different piles to choose from. So choose from number 1, 2, 3, or you can choose from the crystal. So our first group over here for December 2020 is citrine. The group number 2 is solidite, and the last group is selenite. Alright, so pause the video if you like, meditate on each and every crystal, and whichever is calling your attention or your intuition is saying to choose some crystal, please do go ahead and choose that crystal. Go down to description box and then you can see your particular personal reading for December 2020. Bye bye. Alright, so if you have chosen this particular crystal, so this crystal is citrine, bring in the light. So definitely for many of you, I can see in the month of December you are going to get clarity in different things, in different areas of your life. So today I have chosen different cards for your different areas of life. So first card, let's see your overall energy for December 2020. Very nice. You have leadership. Alright, so your overall energy for December 2020 is leadership. So for many of you, you will get the clarity about where you are heading towards to, or you will get new in the career. I see that you are going to get new opportunities in which you have to take a lead, in which you have to take the leadership role, definitely. All right, so this is your overall energy. Let's go ahead and see your tarot cards. You have Temperance, King of Pentacles, you have Six of Coins or Six of Pentacles, and you have Three of Swords. All right, so let's see what is going on. All right, I feel for many of you there has been something in regards to your love and relationship, or in regards to your emotion in the month of November, which has hurt you, which has made you feel disappointed about life. So this is not just about your love and relationship. I see this as your emotional part, emotional side. Okay, so many times Three of Swords in typical tarot meaning is about breakups, is about heartbreak. So for you, I feel this is not just about heartbreak or breakup. If you are looking for the career, and you were trying to apply for certain job, for example, and that has not fulfilled your requirement, that has not fulfilled your, whatever you have given out, you have not got the reward, is what I'm getting. So this can be about your job too, that you are very disappointed by whatever you are getting right now in your job front. And then you also have the Temperance. So many of you are trying to heal from that situation. This is like end of November, and you are entering your month with the leadership role. You are entering your month with taking ownership of what you want, taking ownership, and doing those things which will make you happy. Okay, so you will only put in that much work which will give you reward, which will give you more satisfaction. With Temperance, I also feel some of you are going through some healing process, definitely, and this can be about patience. Okay, so if you are being so impatient about some of your job, career, or a relationship, so advice for you is to be more patient, to be more to have more balance in your life. Okay, don't rush things. Okay, otherwise you will end up, feeling hurt, you will end up feeling sad, is what I'm getting. You also have King of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles. So however, with the approximately second week of December onwards, I feel you are taking charge of your own life, you are taking the leadership, you are taking the ownership of your any area of your life, and then you are going to manifest. And what I see for you for rest of December is equal give and take, and also reward and recognition. Okay, so I'm hearing that you are going to get some kind of reward, you are going to get some kind of recognition. If you are looking for the career, if this is about your relationship, this is about giving equal time, equal energy. Your partner will engage as much as you do. He or she will also give you the enough time that you are giving your partner or in your relationship. So what I feel that towards second week of December, you are going to see the supportive, you are going to get supported by others, and also you are going to get the rewards, also you are going to get recognized in every area of your life. And this is a very nice card to end your December with. It is a King of Pentacles. So King of Pentacles is very this is the last card in the tarot, okay, in terms of material gain. So I definitely see your finances are going to get more balanced. You will feel more stable in your life. Okay, it doesn't matter what gender you are, like King is just the energy representation in the tarot, but this talks about feeling balance in material world. Okay, so if you are trying to manifest something, if you are trying to manifest job or something like that, I feel that you are going to be more satisfied as well as more stable in your finances towards the end of the December. Okay, so we're ending this December with lots and lots of stability, lots and lots of happiness. King of Pentacles also means that you are going to get equal amount of money, and you are going to be more stable. Okay, so let me pull up some clarifier. Rebirth. So definitely whatever has happened to you in the month of November, I definitely feel that you are going to be more strong with the rebirth card. Okay, this is your strength, and you are going to, whatever has happened or whatever has disappointed you in the month of November, you are going to heal that situation, you are going to take your ownership. And this is sort of a lesson that I can feel from universe, so that you can get out of your comfort zone and have this maximum, the well deserved reward is coming, is what I'm hearing for you, pile number 1. So let's see what is your King of Pentacles. Let's take clarifiers. Let's tell me what is your, why is your King of Pentacles? Why is your King of Pentacles? All right, just a minute. So we have separation. So I feel in conjunction with separation card and King of Pentacles, I definitely feel that you have gone through some kind of disappointment in November, due to which you are like, if you can see over here, he's totally tied up into his thoughts, into his own world. Okay, but it has its own time to break through. Okay, breakthrough is the word which I am getting. So you are going to get through this, and whichever past disappointments are there, that are going to help you to have this ultimate satisfaction. okay? Due to this particular thing, you are going to get out and you are going to manifest the highest level of abundance, is what I'm getting, okay? So if you are trying to suppress something, if you're trying to, if you are feeling right now, if you are watching this video in the month of November, and if you are right now in this particular what I can say situation, so definitely one more thing that I see is 10 and 10. So for some of you, number 10 can be of significance. So I will definitely tell you to Google the meaning of number 10, the spiritual meaning. That might help you to find some answers or find some clarity about your situation. Fighting. So definitely there is something that has to do with your suppression, that has to do with you fighting for your voice, you fighting for your equal reward, equal recognition, is what I'm seeing for you. All right, so let's see your love advice. So you have very soon, and you have release your ex, okay? With 3 of sword in conjunction with release your ex, I definitely feel for some of you, you have gone through, very few of you have gone through some disappointment in your love and relationship. This does not means that breakup. Yes, it can be for some of you, but for many of you, I'm getting this for many of you, I'm getting this thought, and getting this energy of healing over your past. So definitely some of you are going to release your past patterns about your partnership, okay? The time has come to clear your energy, so you are going to get more clarity, as well as you are going to get healed with the temperance over here. And then you have very soon, so clearly decide what you want, so that it comes to you. So definitely many of you are going to manifest something good. So be careful what you wish for and only think positive, okay? Then you are limitless. Definitely with this card you are limitless, okay? You can do anything you choose. So there are 2 cards which are suggesting about your power in the month of December, which is telling me that you are going to manifest something. You have that power, you are very strong with this leadership card over here. So your overall energy is about taking ownership, is about being free from the things which no longer serve you, and going towards the highest level of abundance and things that are making you happy. So definitely think more positive, think more good thoughts about your life, whichever area is of it's important to you, because you are definitely going to manifest the good things into your life. Please do think more positive, is what I'm hearing for you. All right, so that's all for you, pile number 1. If reading has resonated, please do like, share and comment down below. Your comments means a lot to me, and it also inspire me to make more of these videos, which will make you feel more positive, which will make you feel more uplifted. All right, so that's all for you. Till I do the next reading, stay blessed and bye bye. Alright, so our pile number 2, people who have chosen this particular blue crystal, speak your truth. So in December for you, first thing that I see for you guys is about speaking your truth, and you will definitely be more good in your communication. So if you are trying to speak something to someone or anyone around you, you will definitely get this strength of speaking up, or being more authentic, okay? So let's see your overall energy. Wow, so you have miracles. So expect something very positive and very the things. All right, so message that I'm getting with this card for you guys is about, there was something that you feel you are never going to get it. Okay, so this can be the special message for some of you, that there was something in which you have lost the hopes. So this is letting me know in the month of December you are definitely going to get it. Okay, and this can be out of nowhere, this can be sudden message, sudden whatever it can be, like take how it resonates with you. All right, so let's see your tarot cards. You have Page of Swords. Okay, so Page of Swords talks about delays. Okay, so with miracle cards and this thing, I definitely feel that you have been waiting for this particular thing, whether it's a career or it's a love and relationship or it's a message, anything. You have been waiting for it and it has got delayed already, and you have been waiting for it patiently. Again, see, Three of Wands. So with Three of Wands, I definitely feel that this is not something which has to do with the few days or few weeks. You have been waiting for this particular thing for more than a month or more than year. For some of you, I'm getting 3 months, 1 year, 2 year. All right, so you have been waiting for like so long for this thing to happen, and definitely finally it is going to come in the December. Yes, and you have Ace of Swords with Queen of Wands. So with Ace of Swords, I feel that this is about some kind of communication or the message that you were waiting on. For some of you, if you are waiting on to some job, or if you have already applied but you haven't had any communication from them, you will get this communication in the month of December. And also, if you're waiting on to someone in terms of your love and relationship, they will speak up their truth, they will tell you something, they will definitely have something solid to offer you. With Ace of Swords, they have some kind of truth. Of course, this cannot be like very sweet thing. Whatever it is, they will tell you clearly. Okay, they will tell you clearly is what I'm getting, because sword energy is all about talking the truth. It is all about clearing the air. So very nice reading so far. And you also have a Queen of Wands. So you are going to, due to all of these things happening in your life, you are going to be more open. You are going to be you will, like, many people will feel you very attractive, or many people wants to talk to you about maybe job, about career, about relationship, and you will feel strong, you will feel more passionate about your life, definitely. Then let's see what is there for you in terms of love and relationship. So I love you. These are powerful words. So maybe for some of you, this is the communication that you can get from someone. This is about your love and relationship. All right, and also this is about one message that I'm getting, that you have to love yourself first. Okay, you have to love yourself first. Okay, this is not just about someone is saying you this. Of course, for many of you it is going to get happen, but love yourself first, and you will listen this as a reflection from other. One more thing, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So again, this is telling you about being more open to whatever opportunities and whatever things are coming into your life, and being more open. So let's see more clarification on this Ace of Swords. Let's see what kind of communication is this. Why it's here Ace of Swords? Why it's here Ace of Swords? Oh, so many. So let me see what all things. So you have Flowering card with friendliness. So this can be the communication from your friend, can be communication about some good news. In terms of career, it can be about you have been selected for the job. Okay, and you will receive the actual physical documents, maybe for some of you. And you have receptivity and playfulness. So in the month of December, you definitely are going to feel more playful. You are going to feel more light. All right. So again, be open. Okay, be open to whatever is going to get presented to you, because that can turn into very committed long term part of your life, is what I'm getting with flowering. Okay, this has abundance in it if it is about your job and career. All right. Alright, so that's all I received for you in the month of December. So if you have enjoyed this reading, and if reading has resonated, please do like, share and comment down below. It means a lot to me, and I read each and every comment of yours. So alright, till I do the next reading, stay blessed and bye bye. Alright, so our last file, people who have chosen this particular crystal, selenite, clear the clutter. So the things that are not, good for you are going to clear out in the month of December. The first thing that I observe about you. Let's see your overall energy for December. So you have adventures. Very beautiful card, right? So in the month of December, your overall energy is all about adventure. So you are going to, for some of you, I'm getting, if you were not able to go out, you will at least, like, due to all of these situations that are going on, you might get a chance to get out of your home somewhere to spend some time. That I can feel for you. And also I can feel that for some of you, you will feel more like a vacation in your home. Okay, for some of you, you have planned some leaves, you have planned some kind of get-togethers and gatherings in which you can be at home and can enjoy. Okay, can feel more light, can feel more nice. For some of you, I feel you stay near water. Okay, so you might enjoy that nature in the month of December. So let's go ahead and see your tarot cards are saying. Let's see. So you have Moon with 5 of Pentacles, Justice and Queen of Cups. At the starting of the month, or I can also say that in the month of November, you are feeling worried about your finances. Okay, so for many of you, I feel you are worried about your finances. One, for others of you, I feel that you have all the things, you have all the money that you deserve, but you are not enjoying your work. Okay, you need some change, you need some new adventure in your life when it comes to your job and career. Also, for some of you, in terms of relationship, you feel that it has been stagnant, it has been stuck for so many months. Okay, so you might feel this in the end of the November, but things are going to change because your overall energy is adventure. So I definitely feel that you are moving towards the adventure. With the Moon card, this can be about, for some of you, this can be about unknown things that are coming your way. Moon card is sometimes about secrets, sometimes it is about the things that are hidden from you. So maybe you have been waiting for some change, you have been waiting for something that has to that will get you out of this stuckness, but for some of you, I'm getting this message that someone is planning secret vacation, someone is planning some secret gathering for you. Not for everyone, of course. Take it how it resonates. For some of you, I definitely feel. For some of you, you can also go for night walks more in the month of December, that I see. And if you having worry about your finances, you are not having enough sleep in the night, in the month of December, I feel you will have a more calmer mind. You will have more the sleep patterns that has gone not gone so well in the month of November, I see that is going back on the track, and you will have more sleep, more rest, and you will enjoy this time definitely. Then you also have Justice with the Queen of Cups. So Justice definitely. So if you have been feeling that you are not getting equal pay, you are not getting the things that you deserve in your career, you are definitely going to get in the December. Okay, so either some of you may switch your jobs and you will get the Justice, you will get the exact required things that you have ticked for yourself, that you are going to get in terms of career, in terms of relationship, anywhere. Okay, you are going to get this Justice, okay, in the month of December. And due to which towards the end of the December or the rest month of December, you are going to feel more more like emotionally stable with the Queen of Cups is what I'm getting. You are definitely, for some of you I'm getting, you are going to get this Justice in terms of your emotions. So this can be about your love and relationship area, definitely. Okay, so this can be about your love and relationship. If that is something that has bothered you a lot in the month of November, that is going to be get more balanced, and you are going to get the Justice. Yeah, you will feel more calm, you will have more time with your person, and also you will get more time to spend with yourself. Okay, you have aloneness and nothingness. Okay, nothingness. So with the Moon card and nothingness, I definitely feel that some of you should have some time in the month of December where you will be, traveling alone. Okay, to feel more peaceful, to feel more calm, and this is what you are going to manifest. Definitely you will have some peaceful time in the month of December. Okay, with all of this card, let's see what all things you have in love and relationship. So the first card for you, wow, the Union of Hearts. A love connection defies explanation. Okay, so with this card, I definitely feel that there has been some kind of arguments or some kind of disturbance in your love and relationship area. If this is actually, this is just about your love and relationship. Okay, so guidance for you is about not judging the people. Okay, not judging the people or your partner, and don't ask for explanation why you are not going to do this, why you are not going to do that. Okay, because this card suggests me that you are being more demanding to other person. Okay, or your person is being more demanding towards you. So you don't need to, if you don't feel like giving it, don't give your time. If you don't feel like expressing yourself, don't express it. So the normal message that I'm getting with this thing, whatever you feel good and right about, do only those things. Okay, that's how you are going to enjoy this time. If you don't want to do anything, try to say no. Okay, or learn to say no is what I'm hearing. Then you have Worth Waiting For. Again, both of these cards are suggesting the same. If you especially going through some kind of fights with or some kind of imbalance there has been some kind of imbalance in your relationship, both of these cards are suggesting you to be more patient, to be more loving towards your partner. Okay, divine timing is at work in your love life. Okay, so definitely don't be so impatient, because December is bringing you lots and lots of adventure, justice, and so much time to enjoy with your partner, and clearing all the air, clearing all the negative things from your life. Alright, so that's all for you, pile number 3. If you have enjoyed this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below that what all things have resonated with you. I love to read your comments. And till I do the next reading, stay blessed and happy holiday. Bye bye.